Clickbank for beginners. How to make money from affiliating Clickbank products in this year 2019 for free. So I'll be showing you in this video different strategies which you need to follow. Alright, so before that, what you need to do is you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I make videos on a daily basis on focusing on how to make money online from different ways with different traffic informations. So for that, what you need to do is you just need to hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I go live onto my channel. Alright, so let us dive onto topic on Clickbank. As you all know, we all promote Clickbank products, right? So there are certain myths that there are certain affiliates who promote, who give an example of selecting on a marketplace. Even I do the same thing. But today in the strategy, I would show you what kind of product you need to select, right? And which is very easy. There is no need for you to do a research on this Clickbank, but you need to go a particular site which is called CB Engine. Alright, so this is basically a top Clickbank marketing website where it has all the informations about Clickbank products. Alright, so if you can see here, these are the top vendors, and here you can see the Clickbank products. However, in our topic, what we wanted to do is whenever we are going and searching on product, we always focus on gravity. Make sure the product gravity is above 15. Alright, so whenever we go here, okay, ignore everything on the top. You just need to go here, the Clickbank top gravity products. Alright, Clickbank promotes n number of products, and you can see here we have a gravity over here. If you can see here the gravities, you need to select these kind of products in order to promote like Clickbank products and make tons of money. And now the main factor is what kind of product do sell and what kind of product doesn't sell. Believe me, most of the products of Clickbank does sell. Alright, if you can see here, flat belly fix. This is #1 product which gets, there are tons of affiliates who are promoting this particular product, and if you can see here, this has a gravity of more than 235, which is again a plus point, right? So this is the top product which people are focusing on selecting it. You can see here that's woodworking, keto, we have new battery reconditioning course. Okay, there are certain myths that this product doesn't sell, this product sells, what kind of niche we need to select, So I would recommend you to get into CB Engine and see the gravity, like top gravity, and then select the top products over here by seeing their gravity. You would find all the results over here. Okay, you can see here all these products are ranked #1 on the Clickbank platform. So these are all one of the good products which you can promote it. Alright, and if you wanted all this information, what you need to do is you just need to go for a pro version of this, so that you get more information on that. But I would recommend you to not to buy anything as of now. Once you make little money, and then you can go and activate even this account. Alright, so you can see here for this example, what we go is we just click on flat belly fix. Okay, we would even see how the website looks like. You can see here the #1 Asian spice to lose 23 pounds. This is what the website looks like, and we would just click on this information to see what exactly the offer is all about. Once we see what the exact offer, and then we need to decide whether to promote or not. You can see here, this is what the particular product we get sold. Alright, so #1 is we are taking an example of this particular information, flat belly fix. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm just copying it, and the #1 source we are going over here, the #1 source we are going over here is the Google. Let us select again on the Google. If you can see here, we type in flat belly fix and review. If you can see here, we get all this information by default. How do we get it? These are the keywords which you need, which most of us look on Google. All right, so make sure whenever you're doing a blogs, because we come here onto Google in order to find solutions, right? Why do we go to Google? Just to find solutions, right? We have a problem, we just wanted to find a solution. So that's the reason we hop into Google. So once we type in flat bill effects review, you can see here there are tons of other information. These are nothing but these are the keywords which you need to focus when you start your blog, right? So that is one thing which you need to make sure. Second thing is you need to download is a free Chrome extension which is called Keywords Everywhere. Once you download this once you download this tool, you get this information that this particular keyword had this number of volumes per month. And if you can see here, you also need to focus on your blog is this particular keywords. Okay, you can see here there are tons of other traffics. So make use of this and write a blog onto that. Okay, and if you can see here, there's a particular ad. There are 7 persons who are doing an ad as well. So as of now, we are going with the free strategies. So we will be looking at everything for free. Okay, if you can see here, we have a person who is already done a review on this particular product, the flat bill effects review. What we want to do is we just wanted to go and check in what exactly is the information they are sharing into their blog. Alright, if you can see here, they have a pretty simple blog and they also have this particular information onto their blog. So once they set up, when someone comes in and once they check the information, okay, and they wanted to check in what exactly is this, they just go and click in. Once they go and click in, they also promote the Clickbank products because you can see a 60 days money back guarantee. So of course they would go and check the information. In that way you get a pretty immediate sale. Plus on this particular problem what people are facing it, the flat bill effects, they have a general review on that and they've given all this information. And once they have all this information, right, checked on what basically we do it because we are interested and we do have a problem and we are getting the solutions, and after that we just click on this get started button. Once I click on this get started button, let us see where it goes in. If you can see here, the same video is playing on here. This is what we call it as a Clickbank product, right? So this product does sell. Okay, this product does sell, and that is what I just wanted to prove you that what you need over here is a Clickbank account. You just need a domain and hosting, and below this video you would find the link to buy a domain and hosting, because if you buy from my link and after you buy, you just give me your receipt to an email. Even the email has been mentioned, and I would be giving you a layout on how to set up your blog, all right, for the Clickbank products. And if you are, that is a bonus which I'm giving to all my people who are interested in buying the hosting from my link. And once you buy, just email me your receipt of the hosting, and I would send you a video on how to set up your blog through WordPress, how to set up a Clickbank products review blogs, which gives you tons of money. Okay, it's just like give and take policies. And the next step, what you need is social media accounts: Facebook, Google, YouTube, and Pinterest. Google, we focus on building a blog. Everywhere we require only your domain and hosting. No ClickFunnels, nothing. All right, we focus only on domain and hosting over here. Okay, with this particular video. So here, if you can see here, Google does works, right? So blog does works over here. You just need to do little mathematics science, and even one of my blogs is getting me tons of money into my other Clickbank accounts. All right, so make sure you buy the hosting from my link and send an email with your billing information, and I would send you the video which has all the information on how to set up your blogs, review blogs, and how quickly you can monetize those blogs. All right. So this is what the one thing which you do it, right? So other than that, let us see the strategies with Google. We got to know. Now we'll go with, YouTube. Why YouTube? Because YouTube also gives us tons of results. Why? You can see here, when we are searching onto Google, and YouTube is a product of Google. So you can see here, when I'm typing flat bill effects review, okay, you can see here the first information are the videos. So people, what they do is they also like to watch their videos. So what you can do is you can even set up a vlogs, which we call them as a video blogs. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to, when you click on this particular information, right, so you are going to this particular review page. All right, so once you check this videos, okay, once you check the video, and when the person is liking this information, you can see here they have tons of this information. They have about 54,000 views, and believe me, with this 54,000 views, they are making tons of money. And they started, 26 August 2018. And when I click on this particular link, which is given in the descriptions, right, which is given in the descriptions, you would see they are going into same particular product, right? So it means that even YouTube works. And when I type on the YouTube, you can see here we have tons of videos coming in, right? And when I check on this information, you can see here there are even other information what other people are searching in. So whenever you are making up videos, make sure you use these keywords into your videos, all right, and even onto your tags, so you get this information. So for that, what you need to do is you just need to use this vidIQ. You just need to download this Chrome extension, vidIQ ya TubeBuddy. I use both because they gives me tons of information on keyword stats and all those things. You can see here all this keywords, what the top information has. I get all this, and I use even those things into my videos so that I get my videos ranked very quickly. All right, so this is the second strategies. And the third strategies is Pinterest. Make sure you utilize this Pinterest traffic. This is insane. I have tested it, and if you want to have a look, even you can check out my other video which I have given you the strategy of Pinterest. Okay, even here what you need to do is same thing, you need to type in. Okay, and when you're going here, you get all this information, right? So I'm just clicking on this information on here, and your Pinterest should be something similar to it. And if you can see here, this particular information has their link. When I click on this link, okay, when I'm clicking on this link, it might go to their blog. Okay, it means that they are getting traffic. One thing is from Google with their SEO has been done, and second thing is from Pinterest. Again, here also they do their tags. Okay, the affiliate marketing stuffs over here. And when someone's check this information, right, okay, when someone check the information, they are downloading the ebook. That is what they are providing the information. They download it, and once they download it, okay, once they download it, they are giving them the offers of Clickbank stuffs, right? So that is one thing you need to make sure. Even if I have to go here, I'm going to same section, and here if you can see here, they have not utilized their link. Either they are not sending anywhere. So it means that the Pinterest, they are not working Pinterest properly. So make sure on Pinterest the pictures, when you click on the pictures, it goes to their blogs and stuff, which I've showed you. Even here, if you can see here they don't have it. Here, if you can see here, even this particular pins would go to their blogs, the reviews, and once they go to their reviews, what does happen is when someone go and click on this get it now, you just see it goes to their order forms. Okay, it goes to the order forms, and people come here and they buy it, right? So in that way they are generating tons of sales when someone types this particular, because we are having a problem and we are finding the solution on various social medias, right? So this is the third step which you need to focus on, and believe me, this works crazy, right? And first step is again the Facebook. What you need to do is, again, on the search bar, you just need to type in flat belly fixed reviews. Okay, when you're coming in, you can see here the first thing is this person's, they already have a page. they do have a page because they are doing a paid ads. But with today's strategy, we are focusing on free strategies. So what we are doing over here is, you can see here, these are free group. Okay, people go and join these kind of groups, and if you can see here, they are promoting in this particular group and this particular stuff. When I click on this information, they have given certain information, right? And this here, what they do is they just clock their link to their domain. All right, so domain and hosting is important, believe me. And if you buy a hosting from my particular link and you send me the payment information to an email, I would give you a video how to set up your blogs, review blogs of Clickbank, which can bring you tons of sales with the strategy what I'm showing here. All right, so when I click this particular information, okay, this has been clocked because Facebook doesn't accept direct Clickbank product. So they have clocked, they have bought the domain and clocked the information, the flatbellefix.com. Okay, they have clocked the link into this, and you can see here the same information they have shared it. So it means that there is a tons of people, they are focusing even on the free traffic. You can see here there are many people who are doing it. You can see here different persons, they are using this information and providing it. So you get tons of traffic when you do these steps. Okay, the first step was Google. It means that whatever is important is you need to have a Clickbank account. If you don't have a Clickbank account, below this video you would find a link. You just need to go to that and ask help with creating an Clickbank account, which would cost you around $10 to $15. And after that, you just need to put in information of yours, bank account and stuff. And after that, you just need to go to CB engine, select the product which you need to promote, and after that you just need to wanted to buy a domain and hosting. And the first step is you should have a different social media accounts. With this example, I showed you with Facebook, Google, YouTube, and Pinterest. Believe me, blogs gives you tons of money. You just need to focus one blog. Okay, create a one blog, and if you do the step, you would make tons of money. Your time would get paid off. All right, and once you get into step 4 where you make money, the step 5 is what you need to do is rinse and repeat. All right, so I believe this video you would take an action. All right, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, just subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, just comment below and I would reply you back with all your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, click on the thumbs up and share this video. Thank you so much.